The cinema in Blaenau Ffestiniog is the first cinema in Blaenau Ffestiniog in over 40 years. It's based here in the old police station, and the auditorium you can see the Cellb. It's both owned and run by Gwallgofiaid, a social enterprise which is a not-for-profit company that was founded for the youths of Blaenau Ffestiniog. In the winter of 2017, we had a severe weather in Blaenau Ffestiniog, and there was a damage to the radiator system behind the cinema screen. Unfortunately, it went undetected for a while, and there was damage to the cinema equipment. We battled this out with the insurance company for over a year, and they have rejected the claims. We cannot proceed with the cinema without your help. If you could please donate a minimum of a child's ticket of £6, or if you wish to donate a little bit more, go to our crowdfunding page. Diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you for your support.